We now request Mr. Sundaraman, MD, CEO, BSE Limited, to give the welcome address.
सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमां अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपरां सदानंद चिदाकाशे भास्वन्तं भास्करं वरं विजयेन्द्र यतीन्द्रं तं सानंदं चिन्तयाम्यहम्. In line with our tradition, where such august gatherings are always started with an Indian traditional language, let me start my welcome address with few sentences in Sanskrit, followed by its translation, and then the welcome address in full. Srimad Paramahamsa Parivrajacharya, Srimad Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padaihi, सत्यव्रत नामांकित कांची क्षेत्रे प्रतिष्ठापितस्य श्री कांची कामकोटि पीठस्य सर्वेभ्यो आचार्येभ्यो तथा अद्य अस्मन्मध्ये विराजमानाय श्री शंकर विजयेन्द्र सरस्वती स्वामिने अत्र अस्मन्मध्ये अनुपस्थितोपि आचार्यस्य अंतेवासी अस्मद्हृदयवासी श्री सत्य चंद्रशेखरेन्द्र सरस्वती स्वामिने च अनंत सहस्र कोटि नमस्काराः. हे आचार्यवर्य प्रभो, भवतः बीएससी कार्यालये अस्मिन् कार्यक्रमे स्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतम्. अस्मन् आमन्त्रणं स्वीकृत्य समागतान् सर्वान् सस्नेहं सप्रेमं सविनयं स्वागतयामः. सभायाम् अत्र स्थितानां महोदयानां श्री दामोदर महोदयः, पद्मश्री अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य महोदय, श्री शंकर महोदय, श्री शंकररामन महोदय, स्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतम्. कार्यक्रमस्य सहयोगभागिनः प्रसारमाध्यमभागिनः स्वागतं नमस्काराः. To all the acharyas of Shri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham, established by Shri Shri Adi Shankara, and to our Acharya who is today in our midst because of our good fortune, Shri Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Swami Ji, and though not present here physically, who resides in our heart, and his disciple Shri Satya Chandrasekhara Saraswati Swami Ji, to all of them, Ananta Koti Sahasra Pranamas. To all those people who have acknowledged our invitation and present here, we welcome you all. We welcome Acharya to this program and to BSC. To also all the dignitaries on the dais, our pranamas and welcome. And to my media partners and to the support partners, a very big welcome and very big pranam. Ancient scriptures ordain Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. Speak the truth and walk the path of Dharma. For this to happen, there has to be a unity in the thoughts emanating from our mind and the speech emanating from our mouth and all the actions happening through our body. Mind is very subtle. The action of it, the thoughts, are invisible. When we talk of speech, Vedas classify them into four. Chatvari vak parimita patani. Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama, Vaikari are the 4 names. In this, it basically refers to the capacity to speak, the conceptualization of the speech, formulation of the speech, and delivery. The first 3 are invisible. The last one is the only visible thing. Vedas say, Guha Strini Nihita Nengayanti Turiyam Vacho Manushya Vadanti. Through this, what visible, if we have to speak the truth, actually all the 3 behind and the mind behind should be in unison and make us talk the truth. And the truth should get reflected into our action, which will be the righteous path. The connection between speech and the truth and dharma is also enshrined in a Purana Subhashitam. Nasa sabha yatra nasanti vriddhaha na techa vriddhaha ye na vadanti dharmam dharmam navai yatra nasanti satyaha yatra nasti satyaha. What it means is, it's not called as a great congregation if there are no elderly people. And people are not called elderly just because of their age. Only if they tell you what is the path of dharma, they are elderly. And what is dharma? Dharma is one where truth is well established. So the relationship between dharma and satyam is clearly established in multiple ways. But what is satyam and what is dharma? When we talk of dharma, people say samanya dharma, visesha dharma, apatkalin dharma. What is dharma? To help us understand that and practice, we have stalwarts from the field who are going to talk us what is dharma, how to practice it in corporate life. Without taking too much of your time, welcoming all of you once again and considering myself as very blessed to be present on this dais and rendering this welcome address and being blessed to have the divine presence of His Holiness in our office and for this program. Thank you all for coming. Namaskar.